Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Part A addresses the misconception regarding intermolecular forces. KNO3 is an ionic compound held together by strong electrostatic attractions or ionic bonds between H2O molecules are held by hydrogen bonding and dipole-dipole forces. Ionic bonds are significantly stronger than the forces between H2O molecules, explaining why KNO3 is The thermometer scale has markings every 1 degree Celsius, requiring an estimation to the nearest 0.1 degree Celsius. The level is exactly at the 19-degree line, yielding 19 points of dissolution by facilitating contact between the solute and solvent, but it does not change the thermodynamic solubility limit at a constant temperature. For Part D, the student's claim is correct. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double-check each step carefully.